Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. If you could just do me a favor, I never really ask for this, but I have been trying to grow the channel, and so if you can please subscribe, just press the little subscribe button. It doesn't do anything to your account or do anything weird and won't bother you. Just do it. It's really good for me to try to increase my follower count, I guess, and so I was just told to vocalize that, and it is true. I would love if you followed and subscribed, and give it a thumbs up too while you're at it, Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. So this isn't an unboxing. This is just a story about a product that I got at IBE, and it's the most different thing that I've ever really tried or seen in a long time. It's called Rose and Abbot. This is their little logo right here. And they gave me this little cute bag, and it says unique, being the only one of its kind, unlike anything else. It's an adjective. I love that. And Rose and Abbot is custom skincare, and it's super custom. Like, I went online, filled out this form, and it asked me a lot of questions about my skin, like what I was doing and what I was using and all of this stuff and how I felt about my skin. Is it dry? Is it oily? All these things. And it got pretty deep. It was a whole questionnaire. At the end, it said, okay, we're going to formulate you a specific skincare that is based off of everything you told us. And I was like, that's not possible, right? Because I'm sitting with this girl who said, oh, this is the company she works for. And I was like, so you guys have like 5 different skincare types of products and you just pick one of those? And she's like, no, there's like hundreds, thousands of different formulations. And I was like, and I'm gonna get my own. And she's like, yeah. And I was like, how do you guys do that? And she met me 2 days later, and they even have my birthday, like my Capricorn thing, and then gave me stickers that have Capricorn symbols and stuff. And then, so this is freshly handmade in Santa Monica. So while I was in LA, they created this for me after the show. It's tested on the Californians, not on animals, which is great because now, you don't really need to look for cruelty-free if you're in California or even the U.S. anymore, for the most part, because California passed a law and, there's no more testing on animals. So now you don't really have to worry about that. But it says, congratulations and welcome to our unique squad. Taking care of your skin is a self-love act, and we're happy to be a part of it from now on. How to start your ritual. We highly advise conducting a patch test in order to determine if an adverse reaction may arise. And okay, that's smart. You should do that with every single product. Always start with a fresh cleansed face, which I do not have. So we're not going to try it on my face, but we're going to try it on my hand. And I just kind of want to see, as you can see, I've never used it before. They even asked me what kind of scents I liked, like what kind of flowers. Wow, I like that. It's a pretty bottle. I love it. It's gonna sit right here. Pat your skin dry. Follow with your favorite toner. Follow with your Rose and Abbot moisturizer. Dispense a dime-size amount onto fingertips and apply an upward motion. It feels really nice. It feels really nice. If using during the day, make sure you use an SPF. I love all these little tips for people that, oh, wow. Look, it says, hey, Cassandra, this is your unique INCI. And they told me everything that's in here. Olive oil, esters, carbonate vegetable glycerin, sodium hyaluronate, daisy flower extract, immortal extract, moringa extract, turmeric extract, citric acid, geranium, and rose fragrance. I knew I picked rose. That's so cool. I'm super, super stoked. I love that my name is on this. I kind of just want to keep it. And you can get in touch with them at Rose and Abbot. I just think what they're doing is amazing. I thought it was super unique. It's not something that anybody is doing. You never get your own customized skincare, and so I want to just did a special video just for them because I really love meeting the founder and the women that are behind this brand. I think that they were amazing, and I hope to bring them on the podcast to talk more about, because I wanted to talk to them for hours. So just super, super blessed that they did something special for me like this. And if you want to try it, reach out to them. Talk to you guys soon. Make sure you go on Instagram, follow me at Cassandra McClure, and you go onto the podcast, Clean Beauty. Find it anywhere. Do it now, please, and leave me a review so I know you listened. And if you ever want to reach out, you can do that. I appreciate all feedback, whether it's good, bad, or in between. And you can email me at cassandra@cleanbeautypodcast.com or contact me on Instagram, because that's just the easiest way. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.